Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can force install an app on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, make sure to put likes, and also write comments after watching the video. So, let us get started with you. Now I'm going to show you how you can very easily close any application, in case your iPhone is working quite well, if the screen is responding to your commands. You just have to swipe from top to bottom to top. I would even say a little bit to the right side of the screen. And as you can see, this opens up all the applications that you have running in the background on your phone. And in order to stop one of the apps from running, you just have to swipe that app with your finger up. So if your app is a little bit hung up and not working, you close it, so it will refresh, it will load, and then it can work more stable. So, you just grab and swipe up any app. If you have a lot of them, you can close all the apps at once this way. But if your screen doesn't respond well to the command, if the sensor responds very badly, let's say your phone was frozen, what do you do in that case? Then I advise you to reboot your iPhone. And to do that, you need to press the power button and also the mute button. So you press the mute button and the power button at the same time. And you'll get a screen like this. And now, in order to turn off or restart the phone, you will just need to pull this button to the right side. So the phone will be turned off. If you have absolutely no sensor, then you will just need to press the power button and hold it down. Thus, your phone will be turned off. And after some time, you can turn it on. Thanks to this, you will have all the applications closed and paused. The phone will rest, reboot, and then should work in a stable mode. Friends, this is how you can force stop apps on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and also put your likes. See you soon.